battleground states. So when Team Romney says that the head-to-head matchup nationally is tight, that's not the full story, Chuck.
It isn't. And when you look at here, look at these battleground polls. This is everything that has come out in the last week in different states. And I just want to highlight a couple here. Look at Michigan, 14-point gap here for the president. Obviously, the Republicans would like to try to put Michigan in play. Doesn't look like it's the case. Look at Iowa, and I highlight that because Iowa has been a toss-up state, something that has been in the middle of the battleground. Well, guess what? We've decided it is no longer in the battleground, that 8-point lead. You now put it in President Obama's column. So he sits there, 243. What does that mean? It means now he's just one state away from 270. If you just give him Florida, he sits at 272. But then if you look and you look at Virginia and Virginia and Ohio, two states the president had 7-point leads, and you give him those two, here, and it puts him at 274. So he's now we're sitting there, we've shrunk the battleground, David. We've put President obviously sitting there with a tough lead. And what has all of this done? It's all because of one thing here, and that is economic optimism. I want to show something from our last NBC Wall Street Journal. 42% now have optimistic views that the economy is going to get better in the next 12 months. The best number in almost 3 years, David.
All right, Chuck Todd, thank you very much. From the numbers